So this is Guwahati Airport. It's been an interesting time the last night. I've been trying to get to Guwahati Airport throughout the night. Basically, we had gone for a wedding. My cousin's sister was getting married at Shillong, and from Shillong we had to get to Guwahati. But as many of you may be aware, because of the Citizenship Amendment Act, Guwahati there was a lot of curfew, arson and violence. So it became a little bit more of an exciting trip than we had initially budgeted for. And ultimately we got stuck at Jorabat, which is about 40 kilometers from Guwahati Airport. And from there to get here in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock, we had no other option but to take a truck. And so we actually sat in an open truck and then rolling in the mud because there was mud in the truck. And you will see some of these images which come in. It was surreal. In the truck, seeing all the images of arson and violence on the road, of burning tires, trees which had been felled to obstruct vehicles and so on and so forth. And in that truck, we managed to reach Guwahati Airport at 2:30 a.m. This is 4:30 in the morning, and look at the amount of people at Guwahati Airport. In fact, this is inside the airport, but outside the airport, it's almost like Kumbh Mela because it's completely obstructed. The only thing that I would like to request the government is, when you go ahead and make a large decision like this, please think about your citizens. Please ensure that you have all the backup plans in place, because otherwise people with families get stuck in the middle of nowhere and it's a no-win situation. It could have ended up very badly for us. Hopefully it'll end up well now. Hopefully we'll get onto a flight from Guwahati to Mumbai. But clearly this is not what we budgeted for, and clearly this is not appropriate for us as tax-paying citizens of this country. Thanks all.